How to change account on Monopoly Go. Hello everyone, I am Vishaka and welcome to our channel. I will take you through the step-by-step process on how to change account on Monopoly Go. Now let's get right into the tutorial. Firstly, go ahead and open App Store and make sure you are using the latest version of the application. Now, go ahead and open the Monopoly Go application on your device. Once opened, tap on the three lines on the top right of your screen and then tap on your name you see there. You will then see the edit button or the pencil-like icon beside your name. Tap on that. A pop-up will appear where you will be able to change your account name. So, go ahead and enter a name. Make sure the name consists of minimum 3 characters and now tap on the submit button, and with this, the name will be changed. So, this is how you can change account on Monopoly Go. If you find this tutorial helpful, please like the video and do comment if you have any queries. Also, do subscribe to our channel Login Giants for similar helpful tutorials. See you on the next one.